No, it's 1,000.
What? Holy shit. Okay, I gotta get one.
Yeah. All right. Well, she's finally finished. First time taking her out because I just finished her up and I'm anxious to ride her. So we'll see how it goes. Make sure that everything's lined up and just get a feel for it. But I'm back, baby. I'm back. Feels so good. One thing I'm not happy with, I ended up doing a vinyl wrapping on this guy just because I didn't like the solid black. And I mean, I did an alright job, but my screws starting to pop through just because I went too deep from the backside. All right, here we go. Right up. Man, I miss this girl. Oh, she looks good. Still waiting for my bar levers to come in. Those things are back ordered. And then I ended up getting some chain tensioners, the adjusters. So I'll go back here. Other than that, she's ready to ride. Oh man, this feels so different. It feels so different. Making sure everything feels good before I take her on the public road. So far, so good. Oh man, I miss this thing. It feels so different though. So one of the things I did differently is GP shifting. Oh my gosh. So going GP shifting, this is so different. Oh my gosh, that's crazy. Wow, this thing feels like a new bike. Looks like a new bike. I'm so happy with the GP shifting. This Vortex, I'll clip in me shifting up and down on it. It is so much more smooth. I don't know what I did differently. I just connected this little clutch actuator. It has a 90-degree bent here, 90-degree bent here. These are the Vortex 2s. And man, this makes it GP shifting. So I'm gonna have to rewire my brain to be configured for GP shifting. But man, it's so much more smooth. That's crazy. What a difference it makes. But here she is, guys. She's back. Like I said, I got the lever guards coming in. Those are on back order right now. Some of the things I did while I was waiting for, this cruise control, I had to order that from Kawasaki. Took 3 weeks and it was in customs for like 2.5 of those weeks. I had to pay the tariffs. That's a ripoff. Don't ever buy anything that you have to import because the tariffs suck. Anyways, yeah, you don't save anything in the long run. So while I was waiting, I ended up like painting some of these. I ended up doing this just because I was bored, but I wanted to add some red accents to match like my levers, and then went with the red Domino grips. What else? Obviously this is, I'm going to replace this thing. I don't really care for it. This is the NT fairings. That's what I bought. Nardo gray. I've always loved this look. So this is actually kind of a good reason. A good excuse for me to get them. I'm debating whether or not to just take these off. This is still broken from the accident, from the crash. This is shaved down, so I have chain tensioners that are in back order. They're actually from the same place as the brake levers, the lever guards. So yeah, this is shaved down, but it obviously still works. My spool, it's completely like welded basically in there. I tried to extract it and I couldn't. I was able to extract this guy, the one that was shaved down, and replace that. So that wasn't like a big deal. Those are just the Shogun frame sliders. They're pretty cheap. They're 70 bucks. This one obviously was good because it's my top side, but yeah, I'm gonna ride again and I'll clip in just some of the ride. Another thing that I ended up doing, I put some Puig covers on, just extra protection. Hopefully I don't go down again. That was a good lesson learned. I'll talk about that whole crash and my experience steering it. I just wanted to show you guys the new bike. Well, not new, but basically is, because everything Looks new. Looks like a completely different girl. No more Zelda, rest in peace. But let's ride, guys. This is so different, even like getting into neutral, that's crazy. I love GP shifting though. Oh man, this isn't lined up. I had to shave some down on this side to line it up. I guess this is popping back out. I'll have to shave it down again because I had some weird grooves in here. Problem with aftermarket fairings, it's not all perfect. Love Utah. Sets, I can't believe it. What a difference. It is so much more smooth. That's crazy. It's almost like having a parking brake on. It's not going anywhere.
600?
No, it's 1,000.
What? Holy shit. Okay, I gotta get one.
Yeah. Go for it. Thanks, man.
1,000. God damn.
It's a
Fast, ain't it?
oh yeah.
Wow.
Oh my gosh, I freaking miss you. And first ride complete. Man, I miss this girl. That MotoGP, the GP shifting, it's gonna take a minute, I'm not gonna lie. I almost shifted down when I meant to go up. Kind of wild. All right. Stay tuned for the next one. Next episode, I'm going to talk a little bit about the accidents and my thoughts afterwards and what I did wrong, how I'm going to make sure I don't do it again. All right. Thanks for watching, guys. Peace.